Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're back with another video on the FNAF 83 channel. I'm sorry for not being here for so long. I'm sorry. School has been tough. Summer was kind of a piece of crap, and yeah. But without that being said, I am back and I'm here. I might be gone in the summer because I have like a field trip to take, but that's all then. But this is now. So last time where we left off is we finished the characters, the menu mouse, the frames, our arrows here. So don't mind all these things right now. This is just something I made on my own. So we finished all these things right here where you change the AI for each character. So we have whoever your characters are and the faces for them. All right. So what I've done without you guys is that I found a way that I can make a set all to 0, set all 5, change all by 1, 10, 20, all that. Because, you know, in FNAF, that happens. You could change all by however much you want. I also made the descriptions here. So description code is when I receive whatever description, go to wherever you want to put it, switch costume to your description, wait 5 seconds, and then hide. That way each player, each contestant has some time to read. So that. So I made the set all at 0, which is basically when the sprite is clicked, make the pop sound, whatever sound you want, I don't care. Set your AI to 0, all of them. Change all by 1 is just change. It's not like there's 2 blocks here. There's set, which means it'll keep it on that no matter how many times you click it. And then there's change, which will change by however many numbers depending on what's put in that box. So if you want to change all by 1, you can change all by 1. You can change all by whatever, really. We got set all to 5, which is just setting all at 5. We got set all at 10, just the same code. And make sure you keep the when I receive start game hide. You have to do that because once I press play here, all of these will go. So yeah. So then there's that. There's set all to 20, which will just set them all at 20. It's basically the same thing. And then there's a play button where when this sprite is clicked, instead of that all for set all at 0, set all at 1, 5, 10, 20, there will be broadcast start game, hide, and stop all, which will stop all code in this sprite or all code in this program. All right. So after all that, you can start working on your newspaper or office. I prefer to do newspaper then office because then it could be really easier. So that's what we're going to do. So in your costumes, you want to go pick an appropriate color for your newspaper. Or if you don't want to do it, then you could just skip to whatever time I'll put up on the screen right now. Actually, I probably won't do that since that will take a lot of work. It's fine. I guess I can do that. So just find a perfect color. Maybe just, fiddle with it a bit. Try getting that nice brown. In. So now I get to, just make your newspaper, basically. This is how I usually make my newspapers. It's not really that well, but, it's fine. I'll get you the code after I am done. So I'll convert it to vector. Just make a paper, a piece of papier. And here, I can make this more looking aesthetic. I'll make a slight outwards tint. Oh, no. Bop. And then just a slight out tint. There we go. We're good. Alright, so now we could just do this. Wow. Look at that. It's easy. Alright. Here, hold on. What I'll do right now is just hide this up on the screen here. I'll hide it all. All right, so now we're gonna put on text. Text should be black, duh. And it should say, I'm just gonna say something. This will also, for me, this will actually give me lore. So it says, welcome to your ultimate doom. And then I'll do father. And so that will be the title, head title. And then what I'm gonna do is just here, I'll just do this. Remember me, question mark. All right, so what I'll do here is just boom, make it really itsy bitsy, and then keep copying, and then actually, so V, just keep doing that. All right, now just wait. And then, so that they know, I'll just do this, click to continue. All right, boom. Boom, okay. So, now that we have that, we could go on to the code. So, just go to your events when it's clicked, when the flag is clicked, and hide. So this way it will hide like so. Alright, now when I receive start game, not moon description, start game, I made two, but I know which one I have to use. Okay, so when I receive start game, show. Alright, boom. Alright, that's pretty easy. I mean, like, you don't have to do too much coding here. It's pretty simple, honestly. Alright, and then what we can do is, when the sprite is clicked, hide. And then broadcast office. And there you go. There's your office. Like, here you go. So this is what we got so far. We can set all whatever. We haven't figured out the AIs yet. So let's play. Click to continue. And then here would be where our office would be. So for our office, I'm going to pause. Sorry about the glitch, guys. It was pretty bad. I'm sorry. Anyway, so we're going to be, so now we can start with the office here. And if you want, you can name all your sprites. I'm going to do that. So this sprite's name will be News Papier. News Papier. And then here will be Office. And yeah. I'm going to make a really, really simple office here. So I'm going to start off with our background here. I'm going to go with let's go with the more gray background, kind of like not like FNAF. Since Shadow's Ultimate Hell is like more of a hell-based game, let's do more of a gray for the background. Convert to bitmap. Kind of like my last game, Places, UCN. What I needed, not what I needed. Alright, so okay, so I guess I could just like redo that. Okay, hold on. Office. Alright, and then do this, do that, bitmap. Do this, do that, bing, bada bop. Alright, so now that we have that, let's center this a bit. Okay. And then here, start like adding some on here. Convert back to vector. And just make this a little bit bigger, honestly. Boom. Boom. Alright, cool. So now that we've done that, we can start designing our office now. I would just do a simple design here. We're gonna do a two doors, two entrances, and a vent door plus a desk with a clock. But the clock is gonna be very different because since in my last game 6 o'clock was really hard to get. I'm gonna try making it easier, and you can make it harder or easier. Really, all you have to do is just like change it up a bit, personalize it. Do not make it like one of my games. And hey, you never know. You can just share it to my account. You know my account now. So, okay, what I have here is boom, we have 10 lines. So you could copy, but you could just pause here and just come back when you finish designing your office. Because designing an office is pretty easy. I'm not going to lie with you. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead and do that. Simple office. Alright, so yeah, really not that bad. So you might want to like take a few minutes to like resize everything, revamp everything, making sure everything's in the proper order area, like so. My design was kind of sloppy here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use this handy dandy feature. Okay, so we have ourselves, just to like put it simply, make a straight line right here, and then put it to the side. What you can then do is you can proceed to Control C, Control V. Oop, my bad. And then just place it on the other side here, like so. That way you could save yourself the hassle of actually trying to find an identical line. And then just put a line on the bottom, and it's pretty easy, and yeah, boom, done. So you can see it, our final product here. Alright, so now what we do is now we start making the holes. Like, we're gonna make our initial doors. So I'm only gonna work on doors. I'm gonna work on the AI in next video. So just stay tuned. Anyway, so we're gonna make ourselves our doors. Our doors are importante. Alright, so we're gonna get ourselves some black, because black. Alright, or make ourselves some doors. So door, ba-bam, shabalanga-ding-dong. Alright, so here, and now you want to edit it using this little connector piece over here to make it look like it's imprinted on the wall. The wall. Bring it down a bit. And you might have to resize a bit, and that's totally fine. See how like my door right now is just oh so perfect. I mean, like, oh my god, I just like don't even know how to express, guys. So what we're gonna do is just copy, Control C, Control V, brothers, and then boom, we have ourselves some 2 doors right there. Bam. And this is optional here. You can add a vent door up here, but that's totally optional. I'm doing it because memes and to show you how to make vent doors, like how I did in Places UCN. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rest of this room and fill it up with all types of goody goods. So I'm going to start off with the desk. So the desk will, to me, it should be, yeah, let's do brown. So we're going to do brown for our doors, our Komodos. And then just make ourselves a nice old desk. Doesn't have to be a good desk, just a desk. But I'm making it good because yes. And then just make ourselves a good old desk right here. Alright, boom. Just then make some chair legs and all that, the desk legs and all that. Alright. And I'm gonna make myself a non-working fan because, you know, why not? I'm gonna make it white too. So like, I made a chair leg white. Damn. Yeah, there we go. And then let's just make a simple circle. And then make this edge here in. I'm gonna have to go into intricate detail here. There we go. And there you go. Here we are. And then boom. We're gonna put that. And then here we can just go really go rogue, go rogue. You know? And then boom. And then just go rogue. Alright, cool. And now we just like, I'm gonna make it a 2 fan. Only 2 blades. 2 blades. Actually, I'm gonna make it 4 blades. There we go. So we made ourselves a little prototype fan. Alright, cool. We could take this model, we can make it an actual fan, but I'm not gonna spend too much time on it because it's gonna just take away. Alright? So, now what we're gonna do is that we got the layout of the office done. We are now going to go to the code. So when this is clicked, you want to hide it. You want to hide it, and then put it to the middle here. And then when I receive office, then show. So I gotta go to here and then put in show. All right. Now, here is the important part. All right. We got this. Yes. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is just, that's our office here. And yeah, really. So here's what we got so far. So you got to make sure, watch out for any bugs. Just make sure you don't get any bugs in here. So just making sure everything's good. All right, set play, boom, office, boom, done. All right, we are now going to work on the doors. And then after the doors, I am going to end it all here. All right, so yes. All right, so now what we're going to do is just take our door prototypes here. Let's do our right door. Sorry, left door for now. And then just boom, copy and paste. Okay, so first of all, hold up. Wait a minute. All right, so let's get this up in here. Now, we need to just go ahead and show this real quick. And then basically what we have to do is we have to like, we have to make that door animation, you know? Like, no. Whatever. I suck at this. So I'm just like put a fill color to it. Like just do this and then I'm gonna make it, you can make it this whatever you want, but like I'm gonna make this blue because yes, I like the color blue. And I don't want to use my concept from Places You See In. So we have our door right here. Let's go. All right, so what you have to do here is now we got boom. Now we just gotta fit it. This is pretty easy. I don't think you even need me for this part. But if you want to like need me for like some part, it's fine. So here it is, right here, and then just boom, buddy bang. You have a ha. No, gotta just like figure out the perfect old size for it. So let me just like lay it out right here. And then just put this up a bit, and make sure this is all nice. Scratch. I need a suggestion from y'all. I'm going to ask something from y'all, and I don't think y'all will like it, but I'm saying it anyways. Because yes. How about you guys make a freaking edit while in game? Like, you can do all this, but onto the actual play area. So, like, you can do all this into the actual play area. Why don't you do that, Scratch? That would be peak right there. Anyways, just duplicate this. I got a bone to pick with Scratch later. So now just make your animation for the doors. Alright. Make this even longer here. Boom. And all you have to do is just keep doing it. Just keep going. Just keep going. Until you reach the end. And then you will encounter bugs sooner or later. I'm just telling you right now. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I don't know why it's not happening to me right now. It's probably just because I'm just so good at the game. I'm sorry, I'm just so good at the program and the software. Not to brag. I'm really humble. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I offended anybody. Alright, so I'm gonna just name this right door for a second. Right door. Alright, so now we can just... These are the same thing, right? Yeah, these are the same thing, yeah. These are the same thing. I gotta fix you. There you go. There you go. And then costume 6. Make our next costume. There we go. And then usually now I just like duplicate it one more time. Boomity bang. Okay, so this will just be my final product. So I can just like delete that, put in this, and then just change it to the same color here. Boom. So now I just gotta place it a bit. So what it will end up looking like is boom, bang, bang, shebangle, wrangle. So take them out of these. Costume 8, right? There's 8 costumes. Yeah, okay, so Okay, so when this is clicked, you want to hide it, okay? You want to hide it. Now, I remember something. So you have to go back to the office for this one, but don't worry. So when you press A, when some button is clicked, I need to find it. I need to find it. Here we go. When this key is pressed, so let's do A because we're doing right door. A, then you want to broadcast something. You need a broadcast animation close. Right door close. And this is what I did for Places UCN, and it helped me a lot, actually. I will now make a new variable. Make a new variable. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then set. Oh my god. I need a new variable. How to make a new variable. Here we go. So I will rename a new variable called right door. Alright? I'll call it right door, and you will hide. How do you hide a variable? Oh wait, I think how do you hide a variable? Here we go. hide variable of these. Actually, I'm gonna do that in menu mouse. All right, so you will also hide the variables. Hide all the variables. Hide all of them. Hide right door. Hide the right door. There we go. Boom. Hide right door. All right. Boom. Just hide them. When it's just click, you just hide them. And I'll do the same thing for left door as well. So like left door. Boom. So now that we have left door and right door, we will hide them both. Or I could have just done that. Okay, hold on. So now we just gotta see if they work. Boom, bang, bap. All right, they'll hide it easy. So now that we're in the office here, and now we're setting the right door to 1. We don't need this. We don't need that. Set right door to 1. Okay. Now you do the same thing. Just duplicate it. Now I did Z for closing. Closing will just be easy. So right door. Sorry. Hold on. All right. We got right door open and right door close. And set right door to 0. Okay. So usually this would be set to 0 no matter what. We got right door, set right door to 0. Boom. Yeah. I'll be right back and I'll be done. Okay, and I'm back. Okay, so now that we got that, we could just take a big old duplication block here and we can do D. We could do D because that's going to be door close or left door. So we got to do a new message. Left door open. Right. Hold up, I was right the first time. I am pretty kind of dumb. Close. And then left door close. So left door close. Okay, boom. So left door close. And then here, I did C. So that's what I'm going to do. There we go. Boom. Bang. Bop, 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 bop. All right. So that will be all the code you'll need. You have to change these to left door, obviously. Obviously. 0. And then left door to 1. All right. So there we go. Boom, bang, bop. And you want to so you want to do a double hammy hide right here. So we do this, bappity bap. Okay, we're back. All right, so now we're gonna go back to office, and now it's a whole thing, We gotta set both of these to 0 because no matter what, it will not turn right. Okay, so now we gotta do if. Now we have to add an if block here. All right. So this is right door. This is right door. You want to make sure everything is right door, okay? And you got to make sure when I receive. Okay, so all you have to do here is just right door close, right? Right door close, just do this. So go to control, repeat however many times, next costume. All right, and here, just switch costume to the first costume, okay? All right, so you need to take mental note, all right? So I'm going to do show first, show in the next costume. If I do that 10 times, that will not work. So if I do it, how about 7 times? It's a whole process, my friends. Okay, I need to do something. Alright, so if I do this, boom! Right door is closed, okay? When I receive right door open, show, and okay, I need to remember something. I think it's just do a -1 here. Yeah. Set costume, which is up here. We need this costume block. We need costume number -1. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. Yeah. And I think we gotta go to control in here. Costume number -1. I don't remember how to do it. I am sorry, guys. God, I am very sorry. Hold on. I'll figure this out. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so I figured it out. It's, switch costume. I didn't know that. I'm pretty dumb. So, switch costume to costume number -1. Alright, just gotta do that. And just put a big old repeat block over it. Boom. So repeat 7 times, do that. And then, after that's done, you hide. Boom. See? So far we have our right door, which if we press A, boom. If we press C, it will go back. So, yeah, that's basically that. And all you have to do here is just duplicate everything. Just do this, a big old swapperoonie. Flip horizontally everything. Yes, I mean every single gosh darn thing on this Monday to Friday plane. Alright, so all you have to do now is just put it in the right place. So boom, I put that in the right place because it's my forte. Okay, should I do 18? Alright, let me try something. Boom. Classete. Boom. See? There we go. There we go. Alright. So now I just gotta make it its own thing. Left door close. And then left door open. Where's left door open? Did I not make that a sprite? I am the dumbest person on the earth. Okay, so left door open. Okay, so boom, done. That's done. This has been a bulky video. I'm sorry, guys. So left door open. Boom. Just get to do that, and you can hide it. So this is what we have so far. We have set all to 20, set all to 10, 5, 0. Change all by 1. We have our frames plus our arrows here, which is adaptable in every which way. So now what we can do is just press play. We have our newspaper done, and we have our office done, plus our doors. Okay, so that's those two done. Now our final thing to do here is make our vent door. Our vent door will actually be very important. So, for here, I'm going to just duplicate the same thing. Make it W, because W will be the closer, and S will be our, S will be our open. Okay, so we're, anyway, sorry about that, guys. But, so what we're doing is, we're going to do a new thing, which is going to be vent door open and close. So vent door open, vent door close. And then we are going to make new variables here. That'll be vent door. Alright, boom. Bappity bap. Okay, I'm gonna hide it real quick. So now we're gonna do this. We're gonna make it vent door. Everything is pretty much the same, but just making it vent door. So vent door by 0, and bappity bap. Okay, so this is our full operation here. Now all we have to do is make the spray. Boom. So done. Now I could just make this vent door. And then I can make this left door. Left door. And then just copy that. And then paste right here. Boom. How easy. So I'm just gonna move this right here. Alright. Cool. So now I just gotta make this a different color. Okay. I'm gonna make this green because I'm green, and mean. I'm not really. So I'm gonna just go ahead and make the costumation for this, the transformation, and yeah, that's all I have to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this, and I will cut right back. All right, I'm back. So, yeah, that was pretty easy. It just took me 6 things. So, code, much like how the right door and left door went, you will go to your events. You will go to when this is clicked. I'm going to make sure I'm gonna go get this pretty much quick done because we are 29 minutes in. So I want to get this done. All right. So vent door open, vent door close, vent door. Did I not make the broadcasting for that? I'm pretty sure I did. I actually did. So I don't understand. Okay, here we go. So vent door close, and then vent door open. Oh my God. Vent door open. All right. So for first one, we're gonna do show, and then our repeat blocks. We're gonna do repeat 5 times. I will do my hide block real quick. I'm gonna do my hide block, and oh yeah. So I have to now just add a different thing here, right here. So just do this real quick. Boom, boppity bop. Set the vent door to 0. Voice crack. I'm sorry. Okay, so this here should be pretty easy. Just switch this to costume 1. Bop. And here, repeat 5 times. Like that. Switch costume to -1. Costume number -1. So now that way we can just put it in there, and boom. And then we can just put the hide block down here, and just here it should just be next costume. So to sum it all up here, we will do A, D, Z, C, W for door, and S. So that took a while. That was a mouthful there. Let me get some water. It's 31 minutes, and we are finished with a lot of stuff. We finished the news papier. We finished the office spray. Office spray 2, spray 1. Office. We finished right door, left door, and vent door, which is crucialate. Alright, so we finished all that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a really nice rest of your day, and probably next day, and nice life. And I will see you when I see you, which is in the next video. Alright, I will let you guys go. Alright, bye-bye.